Welcome to another journey of discovery and learning. Today, we're diving into a topic that sparks curiosity and debate: gender. But let's go beyond opinions and preconceived ideas. Let's explore what science has to say about the nature of gender and the evidence that supports this view. Before anything else, it's important to establish a solid foundation. According to the current discussion on the topic, gender isn't just what you see between someone's legs. It's how we identify and express ourselves in the world. On the other hand, we have biological sex, determined by the physical characteristics of our body. Now, here comes the question: is biological sex and gender actually so distinct? Or do biological influences play a determining role in gender? Now let's delve into the biological basis of gender. Studies have shown differences between the sexes, from brain structure to behavioral characteristics. Sex hormones play a fundamental role in shaping these differences, influencing not only the body but also behavior. Neuroscience also has much to tell us about gender. Research reveals differences in brain structure and function between men and women. However, it's important to note that these differences aren't absolute. The brain is malleable and can be shaped by experiences and environment. However, it's not a clay that allows for all kinds of changes, but rather an organ with relative adaptability. And what about genetics? Studies have investigated possible genetic bases for gender identity. Some suggest the influence of specific genes in determining gender traits. However, the relationship between genetics and gender is still a field of ongoing exploration. And, modesty aside, quite promising. But let's go beyond isolated studies. To truly understand gender, we need an interdisciplinary approach. We recognize that biological, social, and cultural factors interact in complex ways to shape our gender identity. In reality, we can even cite two types of theories about gender: the weak one, with which we can all agree, which, in short, points out that there are some differences due to socio-cultural factors, such as preferences for certain hairstyles, some clothes, etc. And, on the other hand, the strong one, with which we can frankly disagree, which points out that gender is entirely a social construction and has no biological basis. For those who want to delve deeper into the topic, I recommend the chapter Gender from the book by psychologist, Harvard professor, and PhD Steven Pinker, The Blank Slate: The Modern Denial of Human Nature. Don't forget to check out the pinned comment link to learn how to build the genders you want in your own fictional world. Leave your like and subscribe to the channel for free pizza, now also accompanied with Australian Coca-Cola. But, in reality, both the pizza and the Coca-Cola are. We conclude our journey with the understanding that gender is a multifaceted phenomenon, with both natural and social bases. And so, we continue our quest for knowledge, always open to discovery.